let's discuss some tips and tricks for successful sewing. If you're seeing thread nests on the back of your fabric, you may think something's wrong with your bobbin thread, but this is actually a sign that you need to re-thread your upper thread. And when you do, make sure that you have your presser foot up so the thread can sit fully in the tension discs. If your top thread is showing on the back of your fabric, that's a sign that you need to adjust your tension. In this case, you need to tighten the tension with your tension dial. If you're seeing skipped stitches on your hems and your seams, that's a sign that you need to change your needle. Your needle might be damaged or bent, or you need to adjust your needle for the type of fabric you're sewing. In this case, you need a ballpoint needle for a knit stretch fabric.